Welcome back to our geotechnical journey. Today, we are discussing the guide to geotechnical site reconnaissance. Have you ever wondered how engineers make sure a construction site is safe and ready for building? What kind of steps do they take to avoid unexpected problems? And how do they collect all the important data before starting a project? In today's video, we'll answer all these questions and more as we discover the fascinating world of site reconnaissance for geotechnical projects. By the end, you will know exactly why this process is crucial and how it helps engineers get the job done right. So, stick around, you won't want to miss this. Site reconnaissance is all about getting a first-hand look at the actual conditions on the ground. This step is super important because it can reveal information that might be missed otherwise. By doing a thorough check, engineers can avoid major surprises during the investigation. It's like having a sneak peek behind the scenes to see what you are really dealing with. Doing site reconnaissance minimizes